Hello, everybody. We're here in Baltimore, Maryland, with yet another installment of Office Hours for Internet History, Technology, and Security, as well as programming for everybody. And I'd like to introduce you to some of your fellow students. So, tell us your name and some little message to the rest of the students.
I'm Shanita. I'm one of your fellow students. That's it.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
Hi, I'm Scott.
Hi, I'm Musi, taking Introduction to Python.
Great.
I like Coursera, thanks.
Okay.
Hi, I'm John. I enjoyed the Python course this spring.
Hi, I'm Alexis.
Hi, I'm Chanchal. I have no idea about programming, but I hope I'll get something out of this class.
I hope you do too.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maciek. Glad to be here today.
Hi, I'm Cynthia. I took the Python class last fall.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Chantal.
And you're going to Berkeley.
And I'm going to Berkeley.
I'm Karishma. I took the class earlier, and you made a good choice to take this class.
Great. Okay, so after all the clapping, now I will still see you in Boston in 2 weeks. See you on the net. Bye.